Hey guys, Mrs. Fulton here. Today I would like us to practice our consonant sounds as well as our vowel sounds in closed syllables. Since the vowels are going to be in closed syllables, they will be a short vowel sound. Friendly reminder that when we go over our sounds, we say the letter, the picture, and then the sound. I will go first and then please repeat after me. Let's get started. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, qua. R, rat, S, snake, S. S, bugs. T, topped. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Great job. Now let's go on to practice our digraph sounds. Remember, a digraph contains two consonants, but only makes one sound. Let's get started. WH, whistle, W. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock. Great job, guys. Keep up the awesome work. Very proud of you.